Afterward, I have found this used keyboard in an online website. They give it away for free because they tell me a couple of key doesn't work, but this is a weighted keyboard, is an 88 key, and the keyboard is from Fatar, and the touch is very good. It's a mute keyboard, it's a MIDI keyboard, and there is something I don't see this, and what I've noticed is that there's something here, and here one is missing, but the touch is good. I think there are just something to clean, but I don't know. By the way, Fatar is a brand of keyboard here in Italy, but the keyboard they made are used also for Carswell and I think other brand, because they build very good keyboard. Let's see what's inside. It's done. I have cleaned all the keyboard. Also I have had this hingle and this other to close the case. I have cleaned contacts and I have replaced the battery here with I solder a battery case. This time, the next time it would be simple to replace the battery. I have changed also the strip here that was damaged, and the only things I think it don't work is the backlight of the LCD. It turns out the transformer put 120 IC voltage, but the electrofluorescent display backlight doesn't work, and I think it was because it is at end of the life. One thing is that when I replaced the battery, the memory of this keyboard was deleted, and I have to reload all the preset. I have found the preset in Web Archive website of Fatar, and then I load the preset and the keyboard start working again. Now let's reassemble all these things.